Siguro it takes them a while to figure out yung kalaban, but baka minsan baka singiling ka. So, the important thing is they're able to adjust and play well throughout the second half. Pero we expected na slow talaga dahil we have not played in 2 weeks since we came back. But there will be no excuses, of course, dahil we're supposed to be ready for the quarterfinals.
Coming up po dun sa training sa States, ano po yung naging adjustment for the first game?
Well, big adjustment kasi nawala yung 2-man ko eh. So, right now we're trying to plug that spot. Ang kagandahan naman, nagkakilala-kilala and we started to bond. So, hopefully it is something that we can build on. Yun talaga yung purpose nun sa kaya confidence na nakukuha nila because they train there. Kaya lang, San Sebastian also goes there, Arellano will also go there, a lot of teams already go abroad. So, all things equal na to application and then the fighting ends. Kasi pare-pareho na eh, ginagawa.
For the quarterfinals, again, Benil, any preparations po sa kanila?
We will watch the tapes. Benil is a very good team. Solid ang recruitment ni Coach Richard, and I feel that Coach Richard has been able to grow with the team. It's been with the Blazers, I think, in the last 4 years pa. So, solid yung lineup eh. From the point, the perimeter players to the bigs. Maganda yung depth niya. 3 deep siya halos in every spot. So, I have a lot of respect for Coach Richard, and that will be a good matchup against him.
Nawala.
We just they decided to go home and stay there. Skip college ball and told us that he will be coming back hopefully for the D-League.
Pero gaano kalaki yung kawalan niya? Kasi alam naman natin po.
Oh, malaking kawalan talaga. Pero right there and then, yung isa sa mga situations na nagkaisa naman yung team. And sa kanila na rin ang galing. We will do our best to plug in the hole dahil mabigat nga. But you also have to understand that one person does not make a team. So in spite of the fact that the need for him is really big, hopefully yung collective effort ng mga bata will be enough to offset his decision to stay home.
Coach, was this decision, did it come as a surprise to you?
At first it was, and then when I started to find out what happened, ganun lang eh. The official statement is that he decided to stay home and he wants to go directly to the D-League. So whatever ways we did to convince him, siguro mga about a week, kala ko lumambot na siya eh. And then we still decided na give me a few days. Tapos eventually, nawala na kami ng oras, hindi naman kami pwedeng mag-antay. We have to go back to San Merato, we have to fly back, sorry, because of the games here. So, sabi ko lang sa kanya, there's no turning back.
So, Coach, nung nasa States kayo, he wasn't training with Rehab?
He was initially. That's all I can say. He was initially. But he decided to go home. Ganun lang. It was a surprise kasi na-enjoy namin ang lamig eh. Di ba? Ang init dito. Pero bakit kaya nag-uusap-usap sila? Kasi normally nanantok yun. Kasi sinabi nga na sa amin, ha? Okay, so let's practice. Salamat tayo magagawa.
Coach, about naman po dun sa NCAA, meron na ba
Yes.
pong verdict dun sa playing
Hindi
time?
ko alam eh. Mula nung umuwi kami nung ako 20th, sila 21st, we practice May 22nd. So, wala naman. Kung ano lang yung binibigay ni Coach Ato ng mga resolutions, saka decision ng MANCO. Nung dati pa yata yun, yun lang ang binabasa ko. Wala akong pinangangawakan talaga. I don't ask, I just try to prepare them. Like, these are things that I'm not in control of. So, kumbaga kung ano lang yung ibigay at sabihin at i-hand down, tatanggapin lang namin. Kaya nga I try to play everyone. All I know is that only 6 players will play on the 24th. That is all I know. That's why we have to get them ready.
As of now, kung may final lineup sa po kayo, friends?
Kasi ano na yun eh. Kumbaga parang muted academic eh. We brought 16, they came back with 15. So hopefully that will be the final lineup unless we see somebody who's outstanding from Team B. Fair is fair. we have sacrificed already nung wala pa kami. So, that has to be considered. Dahil ayaw mo naman na masira yung chemistry nyo na din na nilang wala pa.
So yung andito po ngayon sa Pinoy, sir,
Supposedly.
wala din. Opo.
Supposedly. Until the final lineup is submitted, then ano pa siya?
As of now, sir, no.
As of now, there are
Potential.
there are potential candidates, pero I
No
don't think
final pa.
time will allow us dahil masyado na malapit unless something happens, I think that will be the final process. Pero we're still looking at 1 or 2 trainers.
Okay, what's...
Thank you rin. Magulan na.